Hello guys, what if I tell you that there is a particular platform that helps suggest meme coins that has the potential of doing well? So this platform is called ATM. I'm making a couple of videos about this particular platform. These are the popular coins that they have caught, like coins that they have suggested and have done what you can see about WNT for done 297 times, Perum 113 times. So you can see they have done a whole lot. So I've been using this particular platform for a while now, and I make a couple of videos on it. You can see the app Telegram bot. On this Telegram bot, all you do is to suggest meme coin for you on a daily basis. These are meme coins that have not been migrated. These are the ones that have been migrated, and these are the ones that are pumped.form meme coins. And these particular ones, you get to see meme coin that are streaming like stream coin. Once the developer create the coin and stream the particular coin, you can get to see this particular coins on this particular place you get. So on the particular website, you get to see how this it works, you get the GM mode and what they do. So these particular platforms are released a new feature which is called the stream Scarpe Algo. And this is what I want to talk about today, the stream Scarpe Algo. So in this particular one, the ATM, which is the particular platform, the ATM Algo tracks about 7,000 stream tokens, applied 20 plus filters, let those most volatile during live stream, and alerts you when the token goes live. So what they do is for them to track particular tokens, stream tokens, and they let you know when this particular tokens goes live, and you can decide to trade them if you want to trade them. You get. So I've been using this particular boot for a while now. You get. I use them. I need to. This is the stream one. You can see the link to all of these will be in the description box though. So this particular one is for the stream tokens. If you want to trade the stream tokens, you can use this particular boot. All you do is for you to click on the boot, set up your account, and simply wait for notification. Once they send you the particular notification that the token is live, all you need to do is to copy the contract address and you can check it out again. So, for example, this one, if I want to check it out now, I can start to copy the contract address which I've copied, then I'll go over to dexscreener, axiom, or whatever I'm using. So I'll go to the search bar. All I need to do on the search bar, simply paste it, paste the token and simply open up in a new tab. So this is particular token, and this can see this is the token. So they actually kind of do a lot of things on this. So you can see token is not meetable, it's not feasible. Dev have paid, so they do kind of they apply filters on it to show that the coins that they'll be giving to you are good coins to get. So if you like the coin that you see, you can simply buy into the particular coin. The coin market cap is about 79,000 market. You get. So and on this place you can see by the time the coin was posted, like they shared the coin to me about 5:58 a.m. today. That was when they shared this particular coin. So by then market cap was about 25k market cap. So if I have bought by then, currently market cap right now is about 79k. I would have made about 3s, you get more than 3s, about 4s if I'm not mistaken. I made about 4s on this particular token gas. So this how it works. It is really very easy. So this is not to say that there are no risk attached. There are risk attached, but the risk is kind of minimal yet. For those people who are new on trading the game, you don't know how to search their screener, you don't know how to go through their screener and be applying filters to try to get new coins you get to trade. This particular ATM, it is actually very good. You can set to use this. Just like I said, they have if you want to trade coins, this particular one is the general one where you get to discover tokens you get. So you can discover um new coins, coins that they have paid and like any of the coins and you get to check their chart out trading on block or bot. You get if you want to this is under of the Algo too. It also gets to give you coins. You get both from dexscreener, Radium, pop phone. You get to see all the coins. So the coins that they share are basically they have applied some filters and they are sure that okay, there's some level of authenticity in this particular token. So understand. So this particular one is for pop the phone on if you want to take pop the phone tokens. And this particular one is for the stream one. This is a new recent Algo, you get the recent boot that they have dropped, understand. So it is not free though. It is not free. There's the pro version we get to pay about 200 or $250 on it. But guys, if you have the money and you pay for the pro version, within a week you can actually make more than what you invested, what you pay for it to get. So it's basically simple. So using it is quite very simple. If, for example, I'd like this particular token that I've researched, if I want to buy, I can try to close my wallet and buy it on this screener. I use Axiom, I try to buy it on Axiom or any of the decentralized exchange that I use to trade the particular token. It is very easy to get. So on their own page, you get to see the top coins that they have got. Let me show you. I think on this page, you get to see the top coin that they have got. I showed you earlier. You get they have made over 83% profit, and I like the both because I've been using it for a while now. You get so these the ones I'm currently using. All I need to do is simply come here, wait when I get notification. I check it out. If I like the coin, I tend to do so. Let's kind of review the coins that they have suggested for this particular streaming one, the Algo streaming. So I've reviewed this particular one, which was good. So let's check this particular one, which is called Beam. So I've copied it. I'll go over to dexscreener. I like using dexscreener. And to do is to search for the coin. So ensure you still do your own research. You must check the coin out. And if you like the token, try to buy into it. This it's okay. Open it up in a new tab. So let's just give it a sec. Meanwhile, guys, please do it to like this video and do it to subscribe and turn the bell icon if you are new. The current market cap is about 5.6k for this particular token. I think it is done now. You should know that all memecoin usually get to the top and then they will die off yet. That is the life cycle of memecoin. Once they launch, everybody are interested in it. Once they get to the peak, they suddenly die off. As you can see, the particular coin got to about 40k market cap and it dies off. And you can see it was called when it was at 36k market cap. So from 36k market cap to where you get to? You get to about 40k market cap, not very much. So this one did not do well. You get this one did not do well. As I said, you also need to check because they are not the developers. You might have planned that okay, this particular coin meets your criteria, which is that it is not meetable, it is not feasible, it's not depth as repeat. But if people are not so much interested in this coin, it may also die down again. So let's check this particular one too and see if this one did well. So I'll click on the search. I'll paste the CA and then simply wait for this canal to bring up the particular coin. Okay, it seems there are a lot of tokens. This particular one, there are a lot of variations of this coin. Reason why you might see different variations of a particular meme coin because if the meme coin does very well, you might see different variations of it. So I don't know which is the main coin, but if you look at the liquidity and the volume, with that you get to see the ones that is the main coin. I think this particular one it has the most liquidity currently. Okay, this first one is the main coin. It has a lot of liquidity. So obviously this particular one to us will did well because if you don't do well, there will not be variation of it yet. Because most people when they see that a particular main coin is doing very well, they go and create variations. Market cap is about 1.5 million market cap. So let's see what market cap it was when they called the coin. It was about again now that to the 7k market cap. We didn't catch it early. It was about 9 market cap when they caught this particular one and they shared. And currently, market cap is about 1.5 million market cap. Okay, it went to about 2.5 million market cap. Possibly they caught it before it went to the all-time high. You get that be like close to 2x. So you guys can see this particular boots, you get ATM boots is actually really very interesting. It helps your trading becomes easier. So the link to sign up for this particular boot in the description box. Use that link to sign up and ensure you get the pros first that you can get the most of this particular platform you get. So once you buy the pro, you can get access to 4 of these particular Algo, ATM.Day, ATM Algo 2.0, the pop platform and the streaming. So guys, this will be it for this video. If you forget to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon. I'll see my next video. Peace out.